Hey there! If you've been thinking about upgrading your home cleaning routine, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums that make cleaning easier, smarter, and completely hands-free. Let's check out the best options that can transform the way you clean. Links to all products are in the description. Starting us off at number 5, the iRobot Roomba Plus 405. The iRobot Roomba Plus 405 combo is the ultimate cleaning partner. With 70 times stronger suction than older Roombas, dual spinning mop pads, and smart scrub technology, it tackles everything from crumbs to dried coffee stains with ease. Its clear view LiDAR navigation maps your home for maximum efficiency, while the auto wash dock empties dust for up to 75 days, refreshes mop pads, and keeps them clean and dry. You can fully customize your cleaning routine with the easy-to-use app, voice control, or direct commands. Whether it's vacuuming, mopping, or both, this Roomba ensures your home stays spotless with zero hassle. At number 4, we have the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni combines power, intelligence, and convenience in one sleek machine. Its 8000 PA suction pulls up hidden dirt and pet hair from deep within carpets, while MopMaster 2.0 delivers spotless floors with auto-lifting dual mops. The all-in-one station washes and dries mop pads, empties the dustbin, and even refills clean water so you barely have to lift a finger. With AI.C smart cleaning and iPath laser navigation, it avoids over 100 obstacles and maps out efficient routes. Add in its auto detangling roller brush, and you've got a robot vacuum that makes cleaning truly effortless. At number 3, it's the Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni is built for those who want true hands-free cleaning. With blast airflow technology and 16,600 Pascal suction, it digs deep into carpets and lifts stubborn debris without effort. Its Osmo roller instantly self-washes as it mops, so you never have to worry about dirty water spreading across your floors. Thanks to Zero Tangle 3.0, hair wraps are a thing of the past, making it perfect for pet-friendly homes. The triple lift system smartly adapts to surfaces, lifting brushes and mops when needed. With powerful AI navigation, this robot ensures every inch of your home shines. Runner-up at number 2 is the Dreame X50 Ultra. The Dreame X50 Ultra brings both power and precision to your cleaning routine. With 20,000 PA Vormax suction and a duo brush system, it tackles dirt, dust, and long hair with ease while keeping noise low. Its retractable legs and Versa lift navigation allow it to cross thresholds and clean under sofas effortlessly. The corner-reaching brushes and mop extend to capture hidden debris in tight spaces. Carpet care is smarter too, with customized modes that boost suction or avoid wetting delicate fabrics. Add in self-emptying and mop self-cleaning, and you've got a truly intelligent robot vacuum that leaves every surface spotless. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Roborock Saros 10R. The Roborock Saros 10R is a powerhouse that redefines home cleaning. With an ultra-slim 3.14-inch design, it effortlessly glides under furniture while delivering an industry-leading 22,000 Pascal suction. Its zero tangling brushes and a Plexi arm riser technology ensure no corner or edge is missed, even with pet hair in the mix. The multifunctional dock takes care of mop washing, drying, and 60-day dust collection, making cleaning completely hands-free. Plus, smart features like built-in voice control, two-way video calls with your pets, and advanced obstacle navigation make it more than just a vacuum. It's a lifestyle upgrade for any modern home. And there you have it, the top 5 best robot vacuums designed to make cleaning effortless and efficient. No matter which one you choose, you'll enjoy more free time and a cleaner home with zero stress. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.